Will the plant-based famous star go beyond your expectations? Let's see what my kids think. It's time for another hot dish from Happy, Healthy, Wise.
With Daddy!
The
Are
higher...
you recording?
Yep. I think higher demand equals higher price.
Also, lower supply can be higher priced.
This is the one for this. Here we go. Let's try it. Lots of mayonnaise flavor.
Pickles. Pickles are pretty okay.
Pretty good.
I like mayonnaise. It's good. I don't like burgers that much.
Yeah, choose because they...
Lettuce. Cannot pick it up. Oh no.
Here we go.
It's a lot of sauce.
Found the Beyond Burger. Wow, the internet will hate me.
The meat texture is actually really nice. I don't like
You can
this.
taste the difference. I'm sorry. You just can.
This is better than the ones we buy from the store though.
They're still not as good as meat. So you know, I like this one better. It's a little bit better than the homemade version you get. I'm sorry.
I'm kind of used to Beyond Burgers now.
They taste different.
They taste different.
Alright, that's all I need to know. You need to try another burger, Daddy. The other brands.
Would you get a Beyond Burger again?
No.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
I'm so used to this.
Cheaper? And I think it tastes better. Win-win. Maybe I just hate processed meat. I don't know. Or non-meat from cows. However they used to make this. I think I'm better at it. It tastes like meat. I might buy this. But as of now, real burger still wins.
I'm so used to this one that that one does not taste familiar anymore. So I think whenever I eat
No, I'm not used to
burger,
Beyond.
I should order Beyond because
I'm so used to real meat. It's like a world difference.
Happy, Healthy, Wild Chef Barry here, reminding you to... Wait a minute, you're still here? Well, if so, then you might want to consider clicking on the like button or leaving a comment down below. It really helps support the channel. And you can also subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays with shorts on Thursdays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.